Hey guys, today we're going to talk about classifying quadrilaterals. Um, it's going to be one of the more confusing ones that we do only because there's so many options. So first let's talk about what a quadrilateral is. So we've been talking about polygons for a while and how many sides depends on what kind of polygon it is. And remember, a polygon has to be completely closed, only straight lines, the same number of sides that there are, the same number of vertices that there are. Okay. A quadrilateral, remember, quad means four. Okay. So our quadrilaterals are going to have four sides and four angles. So we have one, two, three, four, and then we have four angles, which means we have four vertices. Now, also on the email, there's going to be a link to a chart that you can look at. I would love for you to print this off or copy it down, even though it's a lot of stuff to copy down. This is going to be hugely helpful with classifying quadrilaterals. I will be sending home your math notebooks for you to put this information into and refer back to just like we normally would in class, okay? Um, so with quadrilaterals, we have four different kinds. We have a polygon, not a polygon, a parallelogram. If you look at your chart, a parallelogram has two sets of parallel lines. We have a rectangle, which we know, a square, a rhombus, which is a square. All the sides are equal, but the angles are not 90 degrees. It would be slanted like this. And then we have a trapezoid, which we've seen before, which looks like that. And then if it doesn't follow any of the rules, it is just a plain quadrilateral. So if none of the sides are equal, there's nothing, none are equal, there's no 90-degree angles, anything like that. So take a look at that chart that I posted. Use it to help you, okay? Classifying quadrilaterals, it's just a matter, kind of like the polygons, you just have to know what they are. So if you take a look at the chart to help you, you can always ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. So use what you have to help you.